Union Home Minister Amit Shah officially performed the Bhumi Pujan and laid the foundation stone for the ambitious Taj Pushpabanta Palace Heritage Hotel project today. The grand ceremony was graced by a host of top leadership, including Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha, Tripura Royal Scion, Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma, senior members of the State Cabinet, officials of TATA Group and top administrative officials.
कलर वाला होगा लाल चंदन वाला लाइट ना
The high-profile project, executed through a premium collaboration between the government of Tripura and the Indian Hotels Company Limited under the iconic TATA Group, aims to carefully restore and transform the historic 110-year-old royal palace into a world-class 5-star luxury heritage destination. The grand ceremony was graced by a host of top leadership, reflecting the immense economic and cultural significance of the project for Northeast India. Key dignitaries in attendance included Tripura Royal Scion Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Manikya Debbarma, CM Dr. Manik Saha, Minister Sushanta Chowdhury, senior members of the State Cabinet, officials of TATA Group and top administrative officials, preserving royal grandeur with modern luxury. Constructed in 1917 by Maharaja Birendra Kishore Manikya Debbarma Bahadur, the Indo-Circassian style Pushpabanta Palace carries deep heritage value. Notably, it hosts the novel laureate Rabindranath Tagore during his final visit to the state in 1926 and functioned as the Raj Bhavan for nearly 7 decades until 2018. Project officials revealed details of the major ongoing restoration work for room inventory approximately 100 ultra-luxury rooms, 4 signature royal suites inspired by the Manikya dynasty aesthetics. State officials emphasized that the project represents a successful convergence of heritage conservation, sustainable development, and economic growth. Reporter from Agartala, Chini Khorang.